The GNU compiler collection, along with other C programming tools like GDB and MinGW, can be downloaded for Windows in a convenient package thanks to WinLibs. Visit winlibs.com, hit download, and select the latest release version. We want the package including the latest GCC and MinGW W64 versions and UCRT, Microsoft's Universal C Runtime, which should be the topmost link. Download the Win64 zip archive and extract the folder within to the root directory of your drive, which is normally C. You can put it elsewhere, but make sure there are no spaces in the directory you choose. The tools are now installed, and you could use them by typing out their full directory in a shell, like C, MinGW64, bin, GCC. But let's add that directory to the system path so that we can just type the executable name GCC in any console window to run it. Open the Windows search bar and start typing environment. When edit the system environment variables shows up, run it. Hit environment variables and in the lower section find path. Click that and hit edit. Here hit new and type in or copy and paste the directory, in my case C MinGW64 bin. Hit OK on those three windows and open a command prompt or PowerShell. If you already had one open a new one instead so the new path gets loaded in. Now that MinGW's bin directory is in the path, Windows will search there for anything we type. So type GCC-V and you should see GCC print out information about your version. The main information is the last line, which should say you're using version 11.2 with MinGW W64 or whatever version you downloaded from WinLibs. If it doesn't match the version you downloaded, you may have another version installed, so you should check your path environment variable for any other MinGW paths. Here's a standard Hello World program just to test it out. You can copy the code from the description. I've saved it here as main.c. You can open a PowerShell window by shift right-clicking in the folder. Type gcc main.c and hit enter. If there were no errors, you'll simply get a blank line and a new prompt, but if you look in the folder or type dir, you'll see it's compiled and created a.exe. Type /a.exe and hit enter to run the program. To link libraries with GCC, use -l then the name of the library. For example, to compile my pixel drawing tutorial, you need to link GDI32 by typing -l GDI32 with no spaces. That's all you need to compile C programs on Windows with GCC. Cheers!